Okay, friends, we looked at the first sum of practice set 1.4. Now this is part 2 of the video, second part, in which we will do the second sum and further. So second sum is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4, and 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Again we look at common things, x plus y, x plus y, x minus y, x minus y. So what we do, we put 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n in above equations. Okay, so if we put in above equations, we get 10m plus 2n is equal to 4 and 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. Equation 4. Here 10m plus 2n, what we can do, we can divide by 2. So we get 5m plus n is equal to 2. This is equation 3. So we got two linear equations, 5m plus n is equal to 2, 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. Now to eliminate the n, we have to multiply this by 5 and add to this equation. So multiply equation 3 by 5 and add to equation 4. So we get 5 5s are 25m, 5 1s are 5, 5n, 5 2s are 10. We write the same, 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. So adding, we get 40m is equal to 8. So m is equal to 8 upon 40. So m is equal to 1 upon 5. We got m is equal to 1 upon 5. Now we substitute value of m. Substitute value of m in equation, any equation, say 3. So we get 5 into 1 upon 5 plus n is equal to 2. So 5 1s are 5 1s are. So we get 1 plus n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2 minus 1, n is equal to 1. So we got m and n. Now we resubstitute the values of m and n in these equations. Okay, we resubstitute the values of m and n in this equation. So resubstituting values of m and n. So we get 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. So therefore cross multiplying, we get x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation 5. And we get 1 upon x minus y is equal to n, that is 1. So therefore x minus y is equal to 1. We get equation 6. Now x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. What we do, we add these two equations. We add these two equations. Adding equation 5 and 6. X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Add them, we get 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 upon 2, x is equal to 3. So what we do now, we substitute the value of x. Substituting value of x in equation 5. So x is 3, 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. So we get solution x, y as 3, 2. This is the solution we get for the values of x and y. Now we look for the third sum. Quite simple, okay? We look at the third sum. Third sum is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Equation 1, and 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. This is equation 2. So we've been given these two equations. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is 89. Now what we do? X minus 2 common, x minus 2. Y plus 3, y plus 3. We substitute that. So we put 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m, and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n in above equations. We put these values in above equations. So we get 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. Equation 3. And we get 31 3, and we get 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Equation 4. So we got two equations which are now linear equations. Also, when we look at these equations, the coefficients are interchanged. 27 for n, 27 for n, 31 for n, 31 for m. So in such case, we know what we do. We first add the two equations and then we subtract the two equations. So first we will add the two equations. So adding equation 3 and 4, we get 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Adding, we get 7 plus 1, 8, 58m, 58m plus 58n is equal to 9 plus 5, 14, 174. So if we divide by 58, we get m plus n is equal to 3. Dividing by 58 throughout. So 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15, 16, 17. So 58 3s are 174. Now we subtract equation 3 from 4. So we write the 4 equation first. 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Then we write this equation. 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. And we subtract. Minus kar do. So we get 4m minus 4n is equal to 4. So therefore m minus n is equal to 1. Dividing throughout by 4, we get m minus n is equal to 1. So this is equation 6. So we got equation 5, equation 6. M plus n, m minus n. Now we add equation 5 and 6. We add equation, adding equation 5 and 6. What we get? M plus n is equal to 3, m minus n is equal to 1. So n cancels out, we get 2m is equal to 4 or m is equal to 2. Now substitute value of m in equation 5. So we get 2 plus n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3 minus 2 or n is equal to 1. So we got m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. Now what we do? We resubstitute the values of m and n in this. So we resubstitute the values. Resubstituting values of m and n, we get 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. So we got 1 upon x minus 2 is n, that is 2, 1 upon y plus 3 is n is 1. So we have put back the values now. Now we find the values of x and y. So therefore x minus 2 is 1 upon 2. We take the reciprocal. Reciprocal लेते हैं तो x minus 2 is 1 upon 2. So therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 2. So x is equal to 1 plus 4 upon 2. So x is equal to 5 upon 2. And so multiplying we get y plus 3 is equal to 1. So therefore y is equal to 1 minus 3. So y is equal to minus 2. So we got the solution. X, y as 5 upon 2 and minus 2. 5 upon 2 and minus 2.